I've got ripped off. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Alexander, and in today's video we are going to take a little look into this cheap sports action camera, or rather yet we are going to unbox together this little sports action camera. Let's get on with the unboxing. Here's the package. As you can see, I have no face in this camera. Oh no, this is not what I've ordered. This is the wrong camera. This piece of junk doesn't have any part or shame in my house. This is a piece of crap. This is a rip-off. Problem that I have with this is that
this means war,
and I can return it. But my problem is returning this. Where I live in the Caribbean, I have to pay for it when it get here. I might get it free in the US, but when it get to my country, I have to pay for the shipping. So now I have to pay back for shipping to send it back, and then pay for shipping for the right one to get back to me. So I'm paying for one product 3 times, which is 3 shipment. And that is what pissing me off right now. See that I've received the wrong item. We are selling this camera, we need to put a stop to it. Because this is not the first time I've seen people get the wrong stuff. They are sending this to you and hope that you would think you get the right thing, and hope that you cannot send it back. So they take all your money. The money that I pay for the real camera or for the real one, let's get to the computer and show you what I actually paid for. Now this is what I paid for, guys. Now tell me, how do you mix up this stupidness with this quality camera? You must be out of your senses. Because that money can buy 2 of this, or rather probably 5 of this, depending on the prices. And even though they have sent me the wrong product, they did not even take the time out to wrap the thing properly. Look at the condition of the box. This is the condition of the box. I could take this thing out from any side, any handle, because it already, look at it, look at it. At this point, I'm going to send it back for sure, I'm sure of that. But this is sad. This is really sad. Guys, please don't get ripped off. Whenever you buy a product, make sure you're getting what you order online. So this is a testimony to you all. When you buy something, make sure it's what you said. Even if it reach you, send it back. I mean, spend the extra money to send it back. And of course, make the seller pay you for that shipping. Now the point of this is already reached here. Let's see. So on the side of the box, it said helmets, bar handle, waterproof, and the camera itself, and a lot of accessories. Fine and along, because the same thing is in the same one that is coming. So I'm just gonna put this right here in the container. You have the camera itself in a waterproof holder. Then we have some accessories. We have a mounting clip, go on the tripod. We have a strap, an extra water jack for your mount, the bar handle, adhesive tape with a sticky pad, and a push to lock, charger, and some extras. And that is all. Well, forgot there's a manual, and this is what basically in this package. And if my memory serves me right, the package is supposed to have 2 of everything here. So it stands to reason that this thing already used. Judging from the package, this thing already been opened. Okay, there's supposed to be way more stuff inside this camera. Manual, standard manual, lot of pictures, and so you can see the manual show you a whole lot of stuff that's supposed to be in this package that is not there, none at all. So not only I have been ripped off, wrong product, but I've been robbed.
What's that word?
Consistency!
Thanks, losers.
As you guys know, to pull the camera out of the case, this little latch right here, slide it across and lift up, and then pull up. Now, to be frank, the only thing that I see looking really good right here now is the waterproof case. This is the only thing that look well built to me. For the camera, power button and the menu button and the mode button, sorry, power button and the mode button. It said HD 1080p. Select button inside the volume rocker up or down. Indicator light, show if you're recording or you're taking a picture. On the side, charge control, charge port, and space for the SD card. And if you can look close to right here, it's supposed to be a space right here for something else. So it's really a knockoff from a knockoff of something else. 2-inch LCD screen. If I only could get this open. A battery holder. And I suspect this is the battery. It's a 900 milliamp battery. This feels like a paper. They said this take 3 hours to charge. We will see. Well, I won't be seeing that so long it takes to charge because I'm sending it back as soon as I test it. So that's basically the camera in this cheap little format. Let's turn it on. Well, first let's put in an SD card.
It's like people only do things because they get paid. And that's just really sad.
With a SD card inside, just power it up. So one press at the power button and you go into mode. So the box said 1080p, so let's see, let's press OK, and so it said 720p and 1080p and VGA and QVGA. So that's the 4 mode for the videoing. Put it in 1080p, press OK at the top, select it, to go down, this is a data tag, let's turn that off, go down, motion detect off. Okay, let's go down, cycle product, don't know what that means. Audio, let's check on audio on. There's no volume for audio, just volume, just that it on or off. Let's go down, EV 2.0 5/3, and you go right down to 1. Okay, go right down to minus. Go right down to minus 1.3. Oh, minus 2.2. Okay. So I'm just going to go right back up. Just come out of that. And go down to, what is this, resolution? 16 megapixels, 12 megapixels. And you go right down to a VGA. So it was on the highest, which is 16 megapixels. Just leave it right there. Let's go down to fast view. What is fast view? On or auto? This is delay picture, delete picture, lock. Okay, where is the volume? So the volume goes right up to 8. Some more. Just frame. Cancel. Next one is language setting, auto power off, screen saver. Basically that's it, it starts to repeat itself. So basically that's what's on this little cheap rubbish. I am going to take it outside and take some pictures and a little walk around before I throw it in the rubbish. Straight from the box, no setting, nothing at all. This is what the video image look like. It's very poor quality, look washed out. But I must say, because I was vexed while I was doing this video of the wrong product, I go back inside the settings and I do a little tweak with the setting as if you would set up your own camera when you buy it. So I do a little tweak with the setting, and these set a picture next are from the setting. Here I'm riding a skateboard. And here are the dashboard of my car. So don't try to buy this for your dashboard. It doesn't work. It's very boomy and crappy.